Hello grade 6, this is Miss Susan. In today's episode we will solve chapter 10 checkpoint. And let's start with the vocabulary box. Choose the best term from the box to complete the sentence. Let's read together the vocabulary box. The first word here is area. If you remember, area means how many square units covering the whole shape or any whole figure. The second word is congruent, and congruent mean typical or alike or any parallel and similar in size, sides or shape. Parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral shape. It has 4 sides and which has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel sides, so that's the word parallel is stick to the word parallelogram. Trapezoid. Trapezoid is also quadrilateral shape. Quadrilateral mean has 4 sides but only have 1 pair of parallel sides. So let's start over here with number 1. A blank is a quadrilateral, and we said quadrilateral mean 4 sides shape. So this is a quadrilateral shape and this is a quadrilateral shape also with 2 pairs of parallel sides, and we said parallel, stick to the word parallelogram, so it's parallelogram. Parallelogram has what? Has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Number 2, the number of square units need to cover a surface without any gaps or overlaps is called we said it's the area. Figures with the same size and shape, and we said similar or like mean congruent. This shape is a parallelogram. It has 2 pairs. This is a pair and this is a pair of parallel sides. So this side and this side are parallel, and this side and this side are parallel. So let's find the area of this shape. What is the formula here? The formula is to multiply area to find the area equal BH. B is for the base, H is for the height. So the formula again, A equal BH. Let's implement the formula. First B, do you have the B base? It's 5.7 and the height is 4.4. Let's multiply. Okay, omit all the decimal points, multiply the numbers at the ordinary numbers, and here my draft work, see it together. So let's multiply. 7 times 4 will be 28, put 8 and 2 up, then 7 times 3 will be 21 plus 2 is 23. That's the first number. Then second step, put 0 first, then multiply the 5 with all the numbers up. 5 times 4 is 20. Put 0 and 2 up. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Then plus all the numbers here, all the 2 steps. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 plus 7 is 9. And 1 plus nothing is 1. Then we count how many places before the decimal point. We have here 1 place, then put 1 plus 1 is 2. Put the decimal point after 2 places or 2 numbers, and we put it here. So the answer is 19.38. And don't forget to put the unit. The unit here is centimeter, but we have a centimeter here and we have a centimeter here. That's why we put double centimeter, and which is called, we put here exponent 2, and this means double centimeter, or we say it is square unit or square centimeter. So what is the square here? The exponent of 2. Let's go to the square here. Square is like the quadrilateral shape, an ordinary quadrilateral shape, but which has 2 equal dimensions or 4 equal sides. So what is the formula of the area here? Is to multiply L with width, or to multiply H with B, or whatever, it's the same. we multiply the two dimensions here. So A is equal BH again. But we have a problem here. This is a mixed number. We have to make it as a fraction so we can multiply fractions together. So how we make 6/2 as a fraction? Look here with me to this draft work. 6/2 is equal 6 plus half. This is a fraction, but the 6 is not a fraction, so we have to convert it as a fraction. So 6 is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It's 6 ones. Then we write all these ones as a fraction. You know, any one can be written as a fraction by repeating the same number up and down. So we take the denominator here and repeat it. Why? To have the same denominator. So take the denominator and repeat it. So we write the 1 as 2 over 2. Take the denominator and repeat it. So we write it again, 2 over 2, 2 over 2, 2 over 2, 2 over 2, 2 over 2. So all the ones are written in the form of 2 over 2. Plus, finally, 1 over 2. Don't forget to write it. Then we have all fractions here with the same denominator. So can we plus it? Of course, we can plus it. So how we plus it? Keep denominator as it is and add all the numerators. If you add all the numerators, it will give you 13. So we can write now this mixed number as a whole fraction or improper fraction, 13 over 2. Or we can normally multiply it crisscross. How we do it? If you remember, we multiply or make up the butterfly. We multiply first. We put the denominator down is 2. Then we multiply crisscross or heads with tails. So 1 times 1 will be 1 and 2 times 6 will be 12. So 12 plus 1 is 13 over 2. So that's 13 over 2. Now we have every length now is 13 over 2. So 13 over 2 times 13 over 2. Now how we multiply? Numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 2 times 2 will be 4 and 13 times 13 will be 169. And we have another issue here. This number is way much bigger than 4. So we have to divide it by 4 to give me the final answer of the area. We will do long division. So that's my draft work here. Let's show it to you. First, the number was 169 divided by 4. So first, 16 divided by 4 will give me 4. So let's minus 16 minus 16 will be 0. And then we put down or pull down the third number, which is 9. Okay, what is the nearest number to 9? It's 8. So 2 times 4 is 8. Let's minus 9 minus 8. It will be 1. Okay, but I can't leave a remaining here. So in this case, I put decimal point, and after the decimal point, we can put many zeros how much I can or I need. So first put 0 and pull it down. Okay, the nearest number to the 10 is 8, which is 2 multiplied by 4. So we put 2 here, and then 2 multiply 2 times 4 is 8. Then 10 minus 8 will be 2. Another 0 and pull it down. It will be 20. So what I should multiply by 4 to give me 20? It will be 5. So 5 times 4 will be 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. So the final answer will be 42.28. And the unit is not centimeter. Sorry, it should be inch square. Or inch with the exponent 2. That's wrong. Sorry. Okay, let's go to the next step or next page.